Understanding the operator display. The operator display provides real-time awareness through color-coded visual indicators, directional detection zones, distance information, and audible alerts. Green indicates normal awareness conditions. Yellow signals caution and increasing collision risk. Red alerts to immediate danger requiring operator attention. The number at the center of the display shows the detected object's distance from the vehicle. When the proximity sensors detect activity, the display uses split indicators to show where the detection is happening. The top half represents the front sensor's detection zone, while the bottom half represents the rear sensors. When both sections are visible, hazards are being detected at both the front and rear of the forklift. When another forklift equipped with PathAware is detected, the display appears as a full circular indicator instead of split zones. In hybrid situations, the system can combine both display types simultaneously to represent multiple detection sources at once. PathAware's alerts are based on more than distance alone. The system also evaluates time to impact, calculating how quickly an object or vehicle is approaching the forklift and adjusting alerts accordingly. This helps prioritize meaningful collision risks while reducing false alerts that could distract operators and contribute to alert fatigue. As the system detects increasing collision risk, the display transitions into a yellow caution alert, accompanied by an audible warning. And as the risk becomes more critical, the display shifts into a red danger alert with a more urgent warning tone.